Welcome to this tutorial on how to view analytics in Uniswap v2. Uniswap is a popular decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. To start viewing analytics, you need to have a basic understanding of the Uniswap protocol and its interface. First, navigate to the Uniswap v2 website and click on the Analytics tab. This will take you to a page that provides an overview of the protocol's performance, including metrics such as total value locked, daily volume, and liquidity provider returns. To dive deeper into the analytics, click on the Charts tab. Here, you can view historical data on metrics such as liquidity, volume, and fees. You can also use the drop-down menus to select specific time ranges and metrics to view. Another useful section is the Pools tab, which provides information on the various liquidity pools available on Uniswap v2. You can view metrics such as pool liquidity, volume, and fees, as well as the tokens that make up each pool. To view analytics on a specific token, click on the Tokens tab and search for the token you are interested in. This will take you to a page that provides detailed information on the token's performance, including its price, liquidity, and trading volume. When viewing analytics in Uniswap v2, it is essential to keep in mind that the data is updated in real time, reflecting the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, it is crucial to understand the concepts of liquidity, volume, and fees, as these metrics are critical to evaluating the performance of the protocol and its various pools. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively view analytics in Uniswap v2 and make informed decisions about your trading and investment activities. Remember to always do your own research and consider multiple sources before making any investment decisions. With this knowledge, you can navigate the Uniswap v2 analytics interface with confidence and gain valuable insights into the protocol's performance.